We all have a shared responsibility to show up for one another, listen, and work together to meet each other's real needs. Today's event reminds us service is not a single act, it's a commitment to each other. By relationship building and serving together, we move towards the beloved community Dr. King envisioned.
Today we are at Volunteer Fairfax's 17th annual MLK Junior Day of Service. We are in the Northern Virginia Community College Annandale campus auditorium, and we're expecting 1,000 people to come and volunteer with us today. We have more than a dozen organizations, all different kinds of nonprofit organizations and government and county agencies here doing projects with volunteers. The projects range anything from addressing food insecurity, homelessness, animal welfare, and everything else in between. Today's event is about volunteering. It's about giving back. It's about supporting the community. And today is a day we consider it's a day on, not a day off. It's the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday, and in honor of his vision and his message, we are primarily focused on families and children, introducing the concept of being a good citizen and helping others, and teaching young people the value of volunteering is largely what today is about.
For the girls to see this as something that's normal, that us as adults, that we participate in, that they'll start thinking to themselves, this is a responsibility I have too, and that's important for me to continue Dr. King's legacy of service in any way that we can.
There are a ton of young people here today. And that's inspiring because this is a world that they're going to inherit, and hopefully it's a more loving world, a more equitable world, and a world that understands that our differences make us stronger and don't divide us.
If you haven't been involved with these organizations before, make this your first day and come back and come back and come back, because we need your help 365 days a year to help our neighbors here in Fairfax County.
Learn more about Volunteer Fairfax by visiting our website at volunteerfairfax.org.